Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad E14 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a manageable task. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a clean microfiber cloth. It's essential to work in a well-lit area to avoid missing any small screws or components. 1. Power off and prepare. Begin by turning off your laptop completely and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. 2. Remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the back cover of the laptop. Make sure to keep track of the screws, a magnetic mat can help. As you work, remember that if you run into issues or don't have the tools, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 3. Disconnect the battery. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you work on the screen. 4. Unscrew the screen, move to the front of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the screen to the hinges. Keep these screws in a safe place. 5. Pry open the screen frame. Carefully use the plastic pry tool to detach the screen frame. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. If you're unsure about handling this part, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. 6. Disconnect the screen cable. Once the frame is off, you'll see the screen cable connecting the display to the motherboard. Gently disconnect this cable. Take your time here to avoid damaging the connector. 7. Replace the screen. Now, take your new screen and connect it to the same connector where the old one was attached. Make sure it's snugly fit. 8. Reassemble the laptop. With the new screen in place, reattach the screen frame and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Then, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. 9. Power on and test. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad E14 to test the new screen. Ensure that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, we recommend getting a quote before repair for any professional help you might need. 10. Clean internally. While you have your laptop open, it's a good idea to clean the internal components gently using your microfiber cloth. Dust can accumulate, affecting performance. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the screen of your Lenovo ThinkPad E14. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, keep in mind that our services are designed for your convenience, offering no calls, no travel, and ensuring you have the support you need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.